Hi, I'm Scott. Thank you for purchasing the Personal Comfort Number Bed mattress. Today I'm going to help guide you through how to assemble the Personal Comfort mattress. Unassembled mattresses may arrive in 2 or more boxes. The number of boxes depends on the size of the bed you've purchased. Please use caution when cutting open boxes and plastic wrapping to not damage the mattress components. Before you get started, please make sure you have the following parts: 1 air control unit and 2 remotes, 2 air chambers with hoses. Only 1 air chamber comes with twin, twin XL, double, and single queen. 1 bottom panel, 1 comfort layer. This is for models A3 and A4. Classic Series A2 does not include a comfort layer. 1 top panel, head, foot, and side rails. There's 4 pieces. If you're missing any parts, please call our customer service department at 1-877-776-0431. Before you plug in your sleep system, we highly recommend using a surge protector. Please note that in the event of a power surge, the Personal Comfort 25-year warranty does not cover damage to the air pump, circuit board, and controllers. Assembling your mattress is quick and easy, but before we start, there are some things we need to do first. Prepare your room or space for assembly. Remove your old mattress. Remove mattress components from the boxes. Be sure to have your bed base, foundation, or power base already in place before you start assembly. Classic Series steps. Step 1. Place bottom cover on bed foundation with zipper side facing up as shown. Position the holes at the bottom of the cover at the head of the bed. Do not fold down the bottom cover over the base. Step 2. Insert all rails inside the bottom cover as shown. Position rail holes facing down at the head of the bed. Rails should have a snug fit at the corners. Step 3. If dual chambers, please insert the first chamber to one side of the mattress. If single chamber, insert the single chamber inside the mattress. Step 4. Position the air chamber with the base of the hose connection facing down. Carefully slide the white connector and air chamber hose through the hole at the head of the bed. Step 5. Place air control unit under the head of the bed frame. Do not connect power at this time. Connect the air chamber hoses to the air control unit. Make sure the left side of the air chamber attaches to the left side of the pump. Same goes for the right side. There are markings for left and right on the air control unit. Step 6. Connect remotes to the corresponding sides. There are markings for left and right on the air control unit. Once connected, the remote will operate the hose on the same side. Plug in the air control unit to a power source. Before you plug in the air control unit, we highly recommend a surge protector. Please see our warranty for details. Step 7. Once the air control unit is plugged in, the remotes turn on. When on, you will see a number on the screen. Press 1 on the top left and the air control unit will turn on to auto-inflate that air chamber. Wait until the air chamber is completely finishing filling up and repeat on the other side. The air control unit fills one side at a time. Inflation may take up to 5 minutes. The pump may start and stop during this process. This is normal operation. as it is checking in with the air control unit and the pressure inside the air chambers. The arrows on the remote will stop flashing when completed. Step 8. Once both air chambers have been filled up with air, position the air chambers evenly inside the cavity. Step 9. If your order includes a comfort layer, add that layer above the air chambers. Step 10. Place the top panel on top of the mattress with the tag facing the head of the bed. Zip the top panel to the bottom cover. Zipper is usually located on the side of the bed. It is normal if the foam fits a little tight underneath the top panel. To comply with the fire safety requirements, you must place the fire barrier around the foam as seen here. Step 11. At this time, you can add any accessory items such as protector, sheets, pillows, etc. We hope that this instructional video has helped you and that you'll soon be on your way to enjoying your new personal comfort bed.